Soka, Emirembe Jabase Kabaka Basoka, Sidiga, Obulantenda Guno Muteri, Yaja Kurembera, Kachari Webiruji, Guno Muteri.
Very clear.
Very briefly, I just want to thank everybody for coming. This is a great cause, and the cause here is HIV/AIDS. The Kabaka's campaign on health this year is focused on reducing the infections of within HIV. Also to ensure that people are aware of what they need to do if they are infected with HIV/AIDS. There are facilities that were set up, and the Kabaka has also set up facilities for people to go and test themselves. And if you test positive, then they signpost you to the health services that are available, and there is plenty of those available. But the focus is reducing the numbers, reducing the infection, because we want the new generation, your children and your grandchildren, to be HIV free. That's what we are doing here today. So thanks for supporting this group.
Okay, next is where are we setting off? Can everyone hear? Yeah, we're setting off from here. Mr. Sekabira is going to be the group master. Don't worry his speed, but he's going to go faster than all of us. Straight. Yeah? Okay. We are going straight down this road, so he shall lead us, yeah? But he'll go in front of us, mainly because we want to go up to the Hilton, Kensington Hilton, which is at the end of this road. Yeah. So you'll be there.
Just straight.
So when you get there, he'll mark you off. So that two things. A, we make sure that everyone has completed, but most importantly, that we know who set off and who has come back.
Yeah, absolutely.
So when you get there, in your own time and speed, you can walk, you can jog, you can run. Yeah, and then we come back here. Now when we come back here, if the PE person is here, we do a warm down. But we can't wait for everyone to do the warm down, because some people are going to be very slow. Some people are going to be very slow. Yeah? But everyone will have to do a warm down. We should be back here in about 2 hours most.
Okay.
So make your time, but about 2 hours. If you have a problem, you will see people putting on these yellow or orange. Yeah, those are the officials. So if you have a problem, we shall be walking with you. Yeah. If you have a problem with first aid, he is the first aider. He's the first aider. He'll be walking along. But if you can't see him and you see anyone with either yellow or orange vest, we should be able to raise him. If you have any problem, we have the contact number. Let me give you a number which everyone can contact. Mr. Minister, give us the number. Anyone with staff, leave it down here, because that gentleman is going to stay here. Yeah. So give us the number so that if there's a problem, there's one central number we can ring. Each of you would have got a WhatsApp message, so all the numbers are there. Yeah. We've got some water here, which you can take. We've got Kabaka Garudu. That's from the kitchen, yeah. Now, don't take too much liquid at the start, but take it as and when you need. Okay. Any questions? Okay. So the marker is going to flag us off. So everyone, those who need your water, get your bottle of water. If you came with your sandwich, you don't know what time you take your sandwich, go with your sandwich as well. 3, 4.
Yeah.
I hope everyone has registered. By the way, everyone should register. Has everyone registered?
Hey, well done, bro. You are good. Koja.
Yeah, I know him. Did it. Really proud of you. Whoa, well done. Yeah. Well done. Well done. Were you the first to come back?
Number 2.
I see. How many minutes?
1 hour and 16.
1 hour and 16, that's great. Well done.
Akagwa kali wano.
Minutes zeyongera.
Yeah.
Mukungu again.
Well done. Every time you think it's not he really people do that. And they know when they do that, it gets in. Don't underestimate it. You know, I want to travel a message. You underestimate it. But now, no sense. It's all like properly.
Kulikayo mukungu.
Tutambudde mpola nga n'okulaba nti bonna abagenda njogera nabo mbakwasa
naye ate bonna ate ng'obasoose okutta
entambula yange olwaleero nyumidde okufuna omwenge ogwayita wawadde wawanvu wali wali wange simanyi lwaki
abazungu gyoyise bagambye eki
katono olwokuba tuba tutambula kakati abalala kati mulimu abasatu olinga liva ku bangi ge abambadde Yes, not very come with the one way. Sagabani, you can't
Oh yes, yeah.
Well done. Well done. I saw you. I said, no, we must encourage you to get the kids in play. Well done.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Well done, young boys. Well done. Yay!
Kabaka.
we give the certificates, can I first of all thank everybody for coming to take part in Kabaka's birthday run. I know many people couldn't make it, but they have contributed and bought the t-shirts, and that's very, very important. But taking part is even more important. So a big thank you. There is a reason why we have this Kabaka's birthday run. Kabaka's birthday run signifies love of the Kabaka, love of his people, love of Ugandans. Yeah, I think we should upload that as well. So it is also instructive that we are holding this Kabaka's birthday run in this month, Easter, Easter, during this Easter period. Because the procession that was done in Jerusalem during Easter was about love of the people. And the focus of the Kabaka's birthday run is about love, Kabaka's love of the people, especially the people who are vulnerable. For example, people with HIV/AIDS, which is the focus this year. Vulnerable, need help, and we need to think about reducing the infection of HIV/AIDS in the community, also in Uganda. That is the main focus. It has always been the focus of Kabaka's birthday run that we look at vulnerable people, whether people suffering from fistula or people suffering from sickle cell. All these are issues, but they are to do with the love. Kabaka loves you. Kabaka wants you to be healthy, and that's why we are doing these runs. So we would like to give thanks to the Kabaka. Could we have an applause for the Kabaka for actually making sure we have these events. And we want you to come again and tell friends and tell neighbors. They don't have to be Ugandan. Just tell them of the cause. The cause is to reduce the incidences of HIV/AIDS so that we don't have these in the next generation, yeah? So that we have a healthy community. Thanks very much for coming. Thank you. Yeah. And also, may I thank all those who may not be necessarily from Uganda, but are our friends of Uganda. We have quite a few friends of Uganda. Some have already gone, I know. But yeah, we welcome and bring more people, please. Next time. We want more friends. The community needs more friends. It's better for the community. Now the certificates. Each person is going to, who has participated, is going to get a certificate. The first one is Dembe Muga. Mungu Primrose Kalonji. Stephen Mutekanya.
Eyasooka aliba ow'oluvannyuma.
Miriam Sekubunga. Eno ne Sebukyu.
Yalina kamera yakuba ebifaananyi. tujja kubiteeka ku mukutu ffenna.
Eza naziwa. Eza. Sebo n'alinnya Nakabiri. Mumbejja Masiri.
Kati ekiseera kino nsanze wano waliwo ne bennali Nairobi era bwabiraba sizende yasosanga namu omwaka n'ogumu kale n'olwekyo munjagaliza obuwangaazi.
Mukungu Winnie Nantege. Winnie.
Bakyalo abasusse okutuuka wano. Ate ng'ali mu kisiibo. Okwasa mu katine asimba
Susan Nandawula. Prince Nakate. Eno ya nannyiniyo. Kayaga Mildred Subuga. Dorothy Mukasa. Engineer James Kirama.
omwami oyo ne Susan n'omukyalo ono bannaffe okuba akyoli. Bantu ba Kabaka.
Peter. Peter, tunula.
Yakola ne Sabbi. Josephine Ochaka.
Josephine. Yeah.
Daniel Basumba. Yes, friend from Uganda. Yeah. Thank you. Olivia Namakula.
Yeah. And
Hey, Wakatu.
I'm going to run for 1.5 years.
Ani Natima.
13 months. 1 mile a day.
How many countries there were?
16 countries. Every day, yes. Starting July.
Facebook.
William Kalan.
13 months atenga tali nyanyonyi.
Mukungu Rosemary Sewali. Margaret Katodungu. Sava Igamatovu.
The man from Bukuya. Baliwo babiri balamba. Nabengonge baweze.
Yohani nakamwaga.
What's your leadership?
Ajita tajiwomya.
Four to 7.
Next. Thank you. Anyone who